What are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Alex, what time did you set the alarm for?
Don't worry about it.
Show me. What the fuck?
I promise I'm gonna wake up.
Alex, please, we've been through
This
this.
time is different. Please, I swear.
You said this before. Nothing's gonna change.
Just give me another chance.
No. Me, I'm the one that suffers. You don't wake up from that shit. You sleep through every single one. And it's me who lies awake earlier than I fucking need to.
I'm sorry, I have to.
Don't.